with a favorite compelled to lead, and they're off. Elebenian Queen draws for your lead, moving up Monte Napoleone, running by the rail speed maker in between runners, Pride of Cabanela. Escapo comes next, compelled to lead, then running on the outside, Blowing Hat. Running second last is Summit Dancer, while Sugar Free is running at the tail of the field as they pass the last 800. Two runners fighting it out for the lead is Speedmaker running by the rail, running on the outside, Pride of Cabanela compelled to lead, moving up by the rail third, then running on the outside, Escapo, Blowing Hat racing in Peep, Sugar Free as they race at the last 450 is Speedmaker, Pride of Cabanela, it's on the outside, Escapo compelled to lead, moving up by the rail, Sugar Free racing in Peep, and down the stretch and leading the finish line, compelled to lead, this time by over a length, running on the outside, Escapo, compelled to lead, Escapo, Sugar Free now racing in third, with the last 75 meters, it's Jeff Zarate, 3 out of 3 on compelled to lead. Second, Escapo, then comes Sugar Free, Elebenian Queen, and Blowing Hat for your Pentafecta.